think tomorrow it's going to get actually very, very close to that trend. So what happened is we had a lot more moisture in the atmosphere today. We had that heat going on full force. Daytime highs made it to 95 degrees even at times. And then we had all that convection really bubble up these showers and storms. Then they were slow moving as boundaries collided. So some spots, especially from Hillsborough into southern Polk, Hardy, Manatee, and northern Sarasota, saw upwards of 2 to 4 inches of rain in a short amount of time, and that prompted numerous flood advisories out there this evening. One thing has been those torrential downpours, right? Another is now we're starting to get some spots to deal with the rain more frequently than others, and that gives that soil a little bit longer now to recede and soak all that moisture in. So that is another reason that minor flooding could be possible when we see that much rainfall in a short amount of time. Thankfully, we get some time to calm down tonight. We actually have some mostly cloudy skies right along the coastline right now, down towards the coastal portions of Manatee and Sarasota counties. That's where we're possibly picking up still a little bit of light rain trying to actually reach the ground. But for the most part, it is dwindling. We'll actually look forward to partly cloudy skies overnight into tomorrow morning, and then I think we're going to kind of do it all over again for your Thursday forecast. Look how warm it was, though, from beginning to end. We woke up in the lower 80s this morning. 95 was our afternoon high. Normal for this time of year should be right around 91, and I don't see that anywhere really in our 7-day forecast. In Tampa, we've quieted things down pretty nicely out there. 82 degrees, even at 11, feels more like 88. Over the next couple of hours, we'll see a lot of those upper 70s and lower 80s, maybe drop 1 or 2 more degrees. Many spots are going to stay exactly where they are, meaning tomorrow morning when you head out the door, it is going to be partly cloudy. It's still going to be sticky out there, and some spots along the coastline may get a small spot shower to move onshore. Otherwise, I really think it's going to be near lunchtime and even thereafter that we'll have that increasing chance for showers and storms, especially as we go through the heat of the day. But one sure bet is I think we're going to be dealing with a warm start tomorrow morning. A lot of temperatures, especially around the immediate bay, nearing 80 degrees. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll try to climb our way back into those upper 80s, lower 90s. Some of that rain-cooled air may briefly determine just how warm those temperatures can get, but it still will be toasty no matter how you spin it. And for our boaters out there, we'll see winds start out of the southeast just like they did today, but the second half of the day they shift out of the southwest, 5 to 10 knots, and seas about 2 feet or less with a light chop out on the bay. Afternoon showers and storms looking a whole lot likely for your Thursday forecast. For the morning hours, again, maybe a few coastal showers, but it really will be past lunchtime that we'll see that air activity really become more spotty throughout the coastline. Inland, it becomes more scattered as we get those boundaries to collide. And just like we've seen the past several nights, that activity is going to want to push back towards the Gulf Coast after sunset tomorrow evening. On Friday, a little bit of drier air might cut into our atmosphere, which will limit how many of those showers and storms we see. I'm going from about a 70% chance on Thursday to a 40% chance on Friday. And then we start to see a little bit of a pattern shift, meaning we deal with more of an onshore flow going into the weekend. That will mean any showers or storms that bubble up along the coastline earlier in the day will move inland and likely stay inland going through the second half of the day, especially on Saturday and Sunday. But a lot more moisture does return into that 7-day early next week, meaning more rain chances and that heat sticking around.